So the police IGP, Dr. George Akufu-Dampare, met and had a meeting with the creative arts industry players. Among the showbiz personalities who made it to the meeting were Stonebwoy, Efia Schwarzenegger, Fameye, Kuami Eugene, Kidi, A+, Samini, just to mention a few. After the meeting, the Deputy Director General of Public Affairs at the Ghana Police Service, who is in the person of ACP Kwesifori, disclosed some important areas that were discussed at the meeting. The 4 key issues were: 1. Security. The police has its intention of ensuring the safety of celebrities by providing adequate security when the need arises. The police will ensure special security arrangements in terms of public events. Number 2, taxes and contributions. ACP Kwesifori said artists and other entertainment players should support the development of the country through contributions and payment of taxes. He added that it is very necessary for artists in Ghana to contribute their quota to the socio-economic development of the country. So the 3rd issue is copyright. Actors and musicians who were at the meeting raised concerns in regards to copyright protection of their crafts. The police then will support them by dealing with copyright infringements which harms their creativity. The 4th issue that was discussed is indiscipline and misconduct. So ACP Kwesifori also spoke about various concerns with regards to the misconduct and indiscipline acts which is taking over the entertainment industry. Entertainment players should behave well and comport themselves with regards to their creative work.